It's G and Chandela on Pinoy Podcast.
I thought some time alone was what we really needed. You said this time would hurt more than it helps, but I couldn't see that. I thought it was the end of a beautiful story, and so I left the one I loved at home to be alone, alone. And I tried to find out this one thing is true, that I'm nothing without you. I know better now, and I've had a change of heart. I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else. I'd rather be beside you in a storm than safe and warm by myself. I'd rather have hard times together than to have it easy apart. I'd rather have the one who holds my heart. Oh. And then I met someone, thought he could replace you. We got along just fine, we wasted time because he was not you. We had a lot of fun, though we knew we were faking. Love was not impressed with our connection. They were all lies, all lies. So I'm here 'cause I found this one thing is true, that I'm nothing without you. I know better now, and I've had a change of heart. I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else. I'd rather be beside you in a storm than safe and warm by myself. I'd rather have hard times together than to have it easy apart. I'd rather have the one who holds my heart, who holds my heart. I can't blame you if you turn away from me like I've done you. I can only prove the things I say with time. Please be mine. I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else. I'd rather be beside you in a storm than safe and warm by myself. I'd rather have hard times together than to have it easy apart. I'd rather have the one who holds my heart. I'd rather have the one who holds my heart. The one who holds my heart.
Hi Manila, good evening. This is Chandela. Unfortunately, G is not yet here with me still. It's Saturday night and it's around 9:15 p.m. Good evening, Manila. What are you guys doing right now? Are you out, clubbing, gimmick, boys' night out, girls' night out, or just staying with your family at home? Well, dun sa mga walang kaulayaw at walang kausap ngayong Sabado ng gabi, why don't you join me and let's talk about love. You know, love. This thing called love. Ano nga ba ang love? What is love? Well, a lot of, people, scientists, for centuries have tried to define love, Many of us know that love is the major purpose for living. That connection that we all have, that we do, and sabi nga nila, without love, we cannot survive as a species. So, what is love? And how do we know we're in it? Okay, first, alamin muna natin kung ano yung mga hindi love. Let's start off with what love isn't. Okay, manipulation. This is not love. This is infatuation. Like, I love you if you do this. I love you if you change for me. That isn't love. It is infatuation, okay? Compromising who you are. If someone asks you, your partner, to ask you to do or to say something that isn't you, isn't in your nature, then it is not love. Although love, involve compromises between partners, but someone who is in love with you will never ask you to change of who you are in order to be loved. Violent. Passions can definitely become inflamed with someone you love, but a relationship with physical or emotional violence isn't true love. If you remember from the Gian Chandler show past episodes, we've talked about the verbal abuse. Okay, well, that is one thing na violence, in a relationship, that could also be a kind of violence, yung verbal abuse, because a lot of thing can happen from that. It can actually escalate to physical violence, and that is not love at all. Okay, what is it love? Just last, yes, last. Alam mo yun? Desire. I don't know if that's synonymous, lust and desire. Pero, chemistry and physical attraction are important, sa love. But true love also includes commitment, trust, and respect. Okay, I've read from a website, theguardian.com. They've gathered different people from different fields to define love. Okay, and when philosopher says that love, remains elusive in part because love is not one thing. For example, love for parents, for your partner, for your children, country, neighbor, your love for God. it's different qualities of love, and each has its variants. There can be blind, it can be one-sided, it can be tragic, it can be reciprocated, misguided, unconditional. But without the commitment, it is mere infatuation. Without the passion, it is mere dedication. Without nurturing, even the best love can wither and die. So, ang love, I believe, parang halaman yan eh. Kailangan mo yung paarawan, paulanan, kailangan mo yung bungkalin, kailangan mong diligan, kailangan mong kausapin para mamulaklak. Ganyan ang pag-ibig. Parang yung isang, alam mo yung rose? Diba? Ang rose, mahirap alagaan ng rose eh. Kasi, rose, too much sunlight, masama para sa rose. Too much water, masama din para sa rose. So, it is very important na tamang-tama lang yung pag-aalagang ibibigay mo. Ganun din sa love. It should not be too tight. Huwag ka din masyadong maluwag. Dapat tamang-tama lang yung love na ibibigay mo on how you treat love and how you treat the person at the receiving end. So then, what exactly is love? True love is caring. Marami na tong names for different names for different forms of love. Mayroong passion, affection for the family, desire, and general affection. But no matter how love is defined, we all believe they all hold a common trait, and that is caring. So, when you care, nandiyan na nagsisimula yung pagmamahal. And you cannot love without caring. Okay? So, pag ganun ba yan, kapag nagkikare ka na sa isang tao, meron ng love. At hindi ka pwedeng magmahal nang hindi ka nagkikare. Okay? So, next is, true love is attractive. Attraction and chemistry form the bond that allows people to mate. Without this romantic desire for another individual, a relationship is nothing more than lust or infatuation. Dapat may attraction kayo, may chemistry. I don't believe in the saying na opposite attracts. Kasi you have to have common traits. You have to have common interest for a romantic relationship or for a romantic love to work. Because after 40 or 50 years of marriage, friendship na lang yan. So you have to have common denominators. Kailangan magkasundo kayo sa mga bagay na gusto nyong gawin. Kasi pag tagal, yung mga anak nyo, mag-aasawa, iiwanan din kayo. Diba? Bubuo sila ng sarili nilang pamilya. So, ang matitira sa inyo sa isa't isa is kayo na lang. And with this, kailangan meron kayong common denominator. Pareho kayo dapat ng mga gustong gawin, ng mga iniisip nyo, at yung mga goals nyo sa buhay nyo, dapat pareho. Para magawa nyo yung mga gusto nyong gawin nang walang complications. Okay. Next is, true love is attached. Like the mother-child bond, attachment comes after the initial attraction. Attachment is the long-term love that appears anywhere from 1 to 3 years into a romantic relationship. And you'll know you found it when you can honestly say, I've seen the worst and the best you have to offer, and I still love you. While your partner feels the same way. So ito yung klase ng love na may attachment. Yung kahit na ang dami mo nang nakitang flaws sa partner mo, whatever, mahal mo pa rin yan. Kahit na burara, kahit na naiinis ka sa mga bagay lang, sa mga maliit na bagay na ginagawa niya, kahit even after, after a while na discover mo na mayroon pala siyang hindi magagandang ugali, no matter what, you love him or you love her. Even at the most, difficult time na mahirap siyang mahalin, you still love your partner. I guess that is true love. Kahit na minsan na, feeling mo hindi ka na niya mahal or nagbabago na siya, still you love your partner and you still try to see what else can be done para ma-sustain yung love that you used to have. Okay, next is true love is committed. When it comes to true love, commitment is more than just monogamy. It's the knowledge that your partner cares for you and has your back, no matter what the circumstances. People who are strongly committed to one another will, when faced with seemingly negative information about their partner, see only the positive. Okay, ito parang, for example, a friend comments that your partner doesn't say a lot, and you say, oh yeah, he's the strong silent type. Dapat yan yung reply mo. But when you reply like, oh yeah, I can never have conversation with him and it sucks, it's annoying. Yan. Diyan tayo nagkakaroon ng problema. You don't tell other people kung ano yung mga wala, kung anong kulang dun sa partner mo. Usually, pagtatakpan mo pa nga to kasi yung kasiraan niya, kasiraan mo din. At yung magagandang traits niya, magiging magagandang traits mo rin. Kasi, sabi nga ng Spice Girls, two become one. When you're in a relationship, it's not about yourself anymore. It's about you and your partner. Or quote unquote, it's about us. So when you have, commitment sa isang romantic relationship, you have, care for your partner and you support your partner in everything they do and whatever they want to do, you support them. Kahit ano pang circumstances yan. And minsan, kahit na alam mong mali, minsan hindi mo pa rin siya pinipigilan or sinasabi sa kanya outright na what your partner is doing is wrong, but you're just there waiting for your partner to realize it for themselves and just keep quiet about it, hoping one day ma-realize niya na mali siya. Next is True love is intimate. Intimacy is a crucial component of all relationships, regardless of their nature. In order to know another, you need to share parts of yourself. This self-revealing behavior, when reciprocated, forms an emotional bond. Over time, this bond strengthens and even evolves, so the two people merge closer and closer together. Okay, so kailangan ba na, when there's love, there is intimacy? Sabi nga nila, love should be reciprocated. But siguro this is in a romantic relationship that we're talking about. Pero kasi minsan marami ang aspeto yung pagmamahal eh. Minsan blinded, Sabi nga nila, love is blind. Minsan kahit na alam mo yon, yung pagmamahal mo, wala kang nakukuha anything in return, but still you love the person. Even if it's a one-sided love affair, still you love the person. Kahit hindi reciprocated yung pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa kanya. And we'll see, that's it naman, diba? I mean, that is what love is all about. Not expecting anything in return. Kasi ako, paniniwala ko, when I love, hindi ko na iniisip kung ano pa yung makukuha ko eh. Iniisip ko na lang kung ano pa yung pwede at kaya kong ibigay doon sa taong mahal ko. And thankful na ako. I'm thankful na ako na, pinayagan niya akong mahalin siya. And pinayagan niya akong maging parte ng buhay niya. Doon pa lang, thankful na ako. So, yes, masarap sana kung reciprocated yung pagmamahal na binibigay mo. Pero, minsan, ganun talaga yung pagmamahal eh. Okay, so, let me take a break now. I want to play this song, If I Should Love Again. I hope you like it. And this is Chandela from Manila, the better half of the Chia and Chandela show of PinoyPodcast.com. Good evening, Manila.
Oh, my love, you are the only one. Now you're gone and I'm alone. Oh, my friends, they say what's done is done. I pretend, but deep inside I know, if I should love again, if I find someone new, it would be make-believe, for in my heart
It's G and Chandela on Pinoy Podcast.
Yeah, it's G and Chandela, but G is not here with me yet. So this is Chandela from Manila. It's 9:30 p.m. on a Saturday night. Good evening, guys. And tonight we are talking about this thing called love. This thing called love. Okay. Love is easily experienced than defined. Mahirap talagang bigyan pakahulugan kung ano ang pag-ibig. Kasi pag binigyan mo yan ng kahulugan, ang pagmamahal nagkakaroon ng hangganan. And I don't know, ikaw, alam mo ba kung ano ang pag-ibig? Ako, hindi ko alam eh. Nararanasan ko lang siya, pero hindi ko talaga siya kayang i-define. Hindi pa ako nakakita ng rational definition for love. And, love is free. Libre ang pagmamahal. But, it binds us. Love is life's greatest blessing. Usually, at some point, love is defined like love is everything. Ang daming pwedeng ipakahulugan ng love. Pero ang sa akin lang, kung anong klase mang pagmamahal yan, ang pagmamahal kailanman ay hindi dapat maging perpekto. Ang kailangan lang nito ay maging totoo. So with that, I'm leaving you, this topic, and I hope sana, whatever you do now in your life right now, sana lagi may pagmamahal. Lahat ng bagay nag-uumpisa sa pagmamahal. Okay, so for me, love is something I cannot define. Love for me will always remain mysterious. And love for me shouldn't be perfect. It just needs to be true. So this is Chandela of the G and Chandela Show. I'm from Manila, and it's 9:50. Good evening.
I believe in her. So many days smile, she knows that I don't need no other lover. Something in her style that shows me wanna live it now. I believe in her. You're asking
It's G and Chandela on Pinoy Podcast.